Hello everyone, welcome to Models and Trains. This is the second of my winter project aircraft that's been built. And as you can see from the history, these first came into being in 1929 when the Royal Australian Air Force had the specification for a boat-hulled amphibious aircraft. So basically, in May 1935, the Royal Navy placed an order for 12 of these aircraft to be known as Walrus 1, but increased numbers were ordered as the effectiveness of the machine became apparent. So these were very versatile aircraft. Royal Naval Walruses performed a number of duties, including anti-submarine patrols. In the RAF machines were used for air-sea rescue and operated with great success. So without further ado, like I say, this is an old model. It was in white and yellow. So anyway, we'll take a look now. So this has now been finished in aluminium. There were a number of colour variations. Yellow and white were one of the operating colours. So anyway, I think this looks better in the aluminium. Very interesting aircraft. I like the float planes or flying boats. So this has a Bristol Pegasus engine of 750 horsepower. So this was sprayed with my airbrush. I wouldn't want to attempt hand brushing this aluminium. So the interior has been decorated. Pilots have been and crew have been painted. So all in all, quite a nice little model. This will go with the rest of mine suspended from the ceiling at some stage. Okay, so there we go. There's the second of my aircraft winter projects completed. Thanks for watching. Bye now.